documents, especially the ones with multiple pages, being able to quickly and easily navigate through them will make it a lot easier to find what you need, make corrections, and add formatting. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to navigate through any Word document that you create using the scroll bar, go to command, and the navigation pane. The most common way to navigate through a document is using the vertical scroll bar. The scroll bar has a top arrow, bottom arrow, a dark gray section which represents the length of the entire document, and a light gray button called the elevator button that represents the visible portion of your document. When you click the top and bottom arrows, you will move up and down. Let's click the bottom arrow to move down a page. Notice if we click multiple times, we move in small increments, but if we hold down our mouse button, it will scroll slowly through the document. We can also accomplish this by clicking inside the dark gray section above or below the light gray elevator button. To scroll quickly through the document, we can click and hold the light gray button and slide it up and down in the dark gray section. Hint boxes will appear identifying which page you are viewing. If your mouse has a wheel, you can also scroll through the document simply by rolling the mouse wheel up or down. You can also click inside your document and use the keyboard to move to different spots in the document. For example, the up and down arrow on the keyboard move the cursor up or down a line at a time, and the left and right arrows move it a character at a time. Another feature you can use to move to a different spot in your document is the Go To command. It lets you jump to a specific area in the document. For example, let's jump to page 13 using the Go To command. First, under the Home tab in the Editing group, we'll click the downward arrow to the right of Find and select Go To. Next, we'll make sure Page is selected in the Go To What list and enter 13 in the Enter Page Number field. Then click the Go To button. We can verify our location in the status bar at the bottom of the window. Now that we are in the right spot, we can click the Close button. The navigation pane feature also lets you easily navigate and search a long document. The navigation pane is hidden by default, so we'll need to open it. The easiest way is to click the View tab and in the Show group, click the checkbox in front of Navigation pane. We can use headings, pages, and results to work with the document. Let's look at each option. The default view, Headings, allows you to browse the headings you've defined in your document by using the Search Document field or the scroll bar. It also lets you easily move the sections to different areas within the document. You can expand and collapse your headings if your main headings have subheadings. If a heading has a subheading, it will have a triangle in front of it. Just click the triangle once to expand or collapse it, and once again to change it back. You can expand or collapse all of the headings in the document by right-clicking in the navigation pane and selecting Expand All or Collapse All. Let's use the Search Document feature to look for a specific heading. We'll look for the 17th Amendment heading. In the search field, we'll start typing 17th. It begins to look for and highlight matches in the list of headings and the main document as soon as enough letters have been entered. The Headings tab also lets you move sections within the document. We can explore this feature by moving the 17th Amendment to the correct spot in the document. First, we'll click and drag our mouse on the heading, then drag it below the 16th Amendment heading. You can see that as we move it, a line appears showing us where it will be placed in the list. Once we have it in the correct spot, we just release our mouse. Finally, the Headings section allows you to promote and demote headings within your document. For example, if we decide to make the Bill of Rights section a subheading of 7 Articles heading, we'll need to demote it. We simply click the Bill of Rights heading, then right-click our mouse and choose Demote. The Bill of Rights heading and all of its subheadings are moved under the 7 Articles heading. You can use the Promote option as well. The next tab in the navigation pane is Pages. It shows you thumbnails of the pages in your document so you can browse page by page. You can use the search field in this tab as well. If you use search, only the pages with the search results will be shown. The last tab, Results, shows you search results in your entire document. You can enter a word or phrase in the Search Document field at the top of the navigation pane, and the results will appear under the Results tab, and the words or phrases will be highlighted in the main document. For example, we'll use the Results option to find the word Congress in the document. Just type Congress into the Search Document field and click the magnifying glass or press Enter. The section containing the word will show in the navigation pane with the word highlighted yellow. We can click on a section to show it in our main document. When you are finished using the navigation pane, just click X in the upper right-hand corner of the pane to close it.